Welcome to Briefing Cryptocurrency News. If you completed the airdrop missions, you should have received the Rose tokens and the YuzuSwap tokens in the Emerald wallet. You must then program MetaMask for the Emerald Testnet so that you can see your tokens. The process is very straightforward. You click here, go ahead and click on Add Network, and you fill out the form in order to route to the testnet. Here you can see in the instructional the relevant information: network name, RPC, chain ID, and symbol. You will also need to import the YuzuSwap token, and you can see the contract address here in the instructional manual. We reported on the airdrops weeks in advance. You should have been holding Oasis network tokens, and the snapshot took place yesterday. If you did not hold any tokens, purchasing them now would be pointless, not financial advice, simply making an observation. 50K in YuzuSwap is up for grabs. Here we can see the current testnet pool size. Let's go ahead and perform a swap for the coin because I didn't receive the YuzuSwap token, but I do have the Rose token. Have to switch networks. All right, so there are no gas fees, and I'm going to go with Testnet Tether. I'm gonna go ahead and have it since there's no transaction fees. Going to sign off on the following transaction and get this process going. Confirm this, and the transaction has been submitted into blockchain. We'll go over onto liquidity and create a pair. Our pair will be Tether. Hit max, and we're gonna go ahead and approve. Permission has been granted. Now I can supply. YuzuSwap is asking me to confirm that I wish to supply, and I will allow. And done. Now I have to stake the liquidity pool tokens in order to earn the YuzuSwap airdrop. Wrapped Rose and USDT will be the selected pair. Contract must be approved before liquidity can be added. System is processing. Success. Then I will add liquidity. All right, going to click on stake LP tokens. Going with the max, confirming. All right, and I am fully staked and earning rewards. Hopefully I can receive the YuzuSwap tokens as well in order to increase stake. This is a testnet. Cannot stress this enough. I will leave the documentation below in order for you to review. Thank you for supporting independent media with your subscriptions, your likes, your clicks, and your back token donations. We will continue to bring you the latest in cryptocurrency news. And as always, have a good one.
as I want. Wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I
Don't forget, you can earn fat with Brave Browser by just clicking on ads.
Make it go away. Can't make it. Can't make it go away.